Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning about spreadsheets. You will be creating your own simple spreadsheet about the class's favorite ice cream flavor. We will be doing the ice cream tally sheet together to get an idea of how many people like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, bubblegum, or other ice cream flavors. We will then be creating a column chart to show how many people like these ice cream flavors. Using a spreadsheet is really great for organizing information in a better way. Today, what you're going to do is click on the Google Sheet. It says copy of favorite ice cream chart, finished example. Even though this is a finished example, you will be deleting the number of students in column B here. You will be deleting the column chart and deleting the picture. You will be entering your own title as well. The first thing that I do want to explain is the format of a Google Sheet. Now we have up at the very top here, we have in alphabetical order columns. The columns always run vertically on our spreadsheet. On the left-hand side, we have rows. They're always in numerical order, starting from 1 and going all the way down to 1,000. Okay. When a column and a row meet in a rectangle, we call that a cell. Cells are named. So if I click on any cell, I would be able to locate it. This one is H4. So if I ask you to type your name in H4, you would know exactly where to type your name. Okay? For today, what I want you to start off doing is to highlight you under number of students from B4, click and drag all the way down to B8. You've just highlighted the number of students going from vanilla to other. We want to delete this information because it does not tell the same exact information that we have collected from our class. We're going to delete that. Now, it just deleted our data, our column chart, because it didn't have any data to create this column chart. So we're also going to click on the column chart that was here before, and we are going to press delete on our keyboard. We're also going to delete this ice cream flavor raspberry. All right, so now we have a simple spreadsheet. We are going to find the instructions for creating our simple spreadsheet, and we are going to follow the instructions to complete the spreadsheet and turn it in. The first instruction says to enter your chart title in cell 1. Example, Dalia's Things chart. You are going to type your homeroom teacher's favorite ice cream flavors. So if you are in Mrs. Pavone's class, you would write Mrs. Pavone's favorite ice cream flavors. Now notice that this cell is one large cell. It goes from A1 all the way to D1. It's not fitting. I see that the S has been cut off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to graze my mouse between D and E and wait for the arrow to come up. I'm going to click and drag it over so my S can be visible a little bit over. Or I can also merge, click and drag from A1 all the way to E1 to highlight both cells, and I can merge E1 as well. To do that, I've highlighted that. I'm going to format, I'm going to merge cells, and I'm going to merge horizontally. Okay, so now I have that extra cell here, and it's all in one large cell. That's my title. So under the second instruction, it says click and hold cell A1 and drag the mouse to cell D1. And then you are going to merge the cells. We have just done that. So we're going to go to instruction number 3. With the title still selected, go to the menu bar and choose the new font style, size, and text color. We're also going to center the text. The text is already centered in the middle of our large merged cell, so we're just going to leave it. You can highlight, I double click to highlight all the text within the cell. You can change the font style here, your size, and your color to suit you. So now I'm finished my title. Now it says making the chart step 5 and 6. So now we are going to click and hold in cell A3, drag the mouse down, select all items in column A. We're going to continue to select all numbers in column B. This will be done after you input your number of students for the vanilla voting, chocolate, strawberry, bubblegum, or other. For instance, if you had 5 students liking vanilla, 2 liking chocolate, 1 liking strawberry, we'll just say 0 like bubblegum, and other might be 6. So these are not the true numbers to your classes. We're going to do this beforehand, but I have done this a week prior. So I'm just making up this. Do not copy this. You're going to be copying the tally from the tally sheet for your own class. I just want to make that clear. So the instructions said to hold A, starting with A3, all the way down to B8. Okay, we want to highlight that whole table here, not only the ice cream flavors, but the number of students. We are now going to create a column chart. So we are going to go to the menu bar, insert chart. Okay, there are 2 ways that you can do it. You can go to insert chart here, or you can, want to make sure that's highlighted, or I could click this icon here that says insert chart. When I click it, it automatically gives me a column chart. Now it's on top of all of my data, so I want to click and move it down. Okay, I can scroll down to view it. You can notice that on the right-hand side, we have our chart editor. If you want to change and customize your chart, you can hit customize here. You can change the background color. You can make it 3D. You can also change the font. I want you to make it your own. Make it colorful. Make it change to suit you. Now, the last part, it says done. I want you to go a step further. In the very beginning, we deleted a picture. I think it was a raspberry with a scoop of ice cream. You're going to insert an image right around here that shows me what you voted for. So even though we did our class's favorite ice cream flavors, I want to know your specific favorite. So we are going to go to insert. We are going to go to image. And you are going to search for your favorite ice cream flavor. Mine is vanilla, so I'm going to type in vanilla. I pressed enter, or you can click the search button here. Now you can choose any. I like this one. And I clicked on it. Now I'm going to click select. Okay, this image is way too big. I need to resize it. I click and drag on the square on the right-hand corner. Still a little big. I'm going to click and do this. Okay, now you are done. You have created your first simple spreadsheet. So you will turn it in under classwork. You can see I do not have it because I have a teacher version, but you should have a blue button that says turn in right here. And when you are done, you can play a game.